Welcome. Let's take a moment to arrive. Find a comfortable position. You can be sitting, lying down, or in any posture that feels supportive. Allow your body to relax. Let go of any unnecessary tension. If it feels right for you, gently close your eyes. Let's begin with a deep, cleansing breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly, releasing any stress or worry. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm, easy and gentle. We will now begin a body scan. Bring your awareness to the toes of your left foot. Notice any sensations there. Perhaps warmth, coolness, or simply the feeling of your toes. If you notice any tension, simply acknowledge it and allow it to soften. Now, move your attention to the sole of your left foot. Notice any sensations, the feeling of contact, the gentle pressure. Continue to breathe gently and easily. Move your awareness to your left ankle, noticing any sensations without judgment. Allow any tension to melt away. Now focus on your left calf. Observe any sensations present. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your calf. Continue to breathe. Your attention to your left knee. Notice any sensations without trying to change anything. Simply observe. Focus on your left thigh. Feel the weight of your leg supported beneath you. Allow any tension to release. Bring your attention to your left hip, noticing any sensations. Allow yourself to relax more deeply with each breath. Now repeat this process on your right leg, starting with the toes of your right foot. Now bring your attention to your abdomen. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Move your awareness to your chest. Notice the subtle expansion and contraction. Feel the rhythm of your breath. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. Allow them to soften and relax. Release any tension you may be holding there. Focus on your neck. Gently release any tightness. Allow your head to be heavy and supported. Move your awareness to your face. Relax your jaw. Soften your eyes and release your forehead. Allow your entire face to be soft and at peace. Finally, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation flowing down through your entire body. Feel the peace and calm within you. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back into the room. Notice the subtle sounds around you, or the feeling of the air on your skin. Gently invite some movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Perhaps take a gentle stretch if that feels good. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this time you've given yourself to simply be. When you feel completely ready, you can slowly and gently open your eyes, bringing a sense of calm and renewed presence back into your day.